Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to this video titled How to Find a Measurement When Area is Given. And for this video, you just need your math journal, pencil, and calculator. We will not use our Go Math book for this video. We'll look at this topic a little bit more in depth later on, but I just want to give you this quick video on how to find this when you're looking at some problems. And so it is important to understand the formula whenever we're trying to find these missing measurements. Okay, so what we have right here is a parallelogram, and if you remember, formula for parallelogram equals area equals base times the height. Now you've already been given the area for this. What we need to figure out is the base. All right, so they gave us the area, so we have 48 equals the base times 4. Now whenever you're trying to find a length or a measurement when the area is given, you take all of the numbers, work all the problem out on the right side of your problem, and then you take that number and divide it by the area. So this is pretty simple because we only have one number, which is 4. So what we do is we take 48 and we divide it by 4, and that's going to give us 12 inches for the base. So the base is 12 inches here. It's not square inches because it's not area. We're just trying to find a measurement. So again, whenever we have the area given, you take the area and you divide it by all of the measurements that have been given already whenever you work the problem out on the right side of the equation, and then you have your missing measurement. Let's take a look at what this looks like for a trapezoid. So again, if you remember the formula for area of a trapezoid, area equals 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. You want to write that out. So the formula for our the area is 448 square feet. So we have that already. And we know the formula for this is 1/2. We don't know the height, but we do know base 1, 17, base 2, 39, and that's going to give us 56. So now we have 448 equals 1/2 times the height times 56. Now, whenever we have a problem like this, we're not going to multiply 1/2 times the height because we don't know the height yet. So what we need to do is we need to ignore this height, and we just take 1/2 and multiply it by 56. That's going to give us 28. And now we have 448 equals 28 times the height. We don't know the height, so that means we need to divide 28 by both sides here. And that's going to bring down our h all by itself. And then we take 448 divided by 28. And that's going to give us a height of 16. Put my equal sign on the other side. So the height is 16 for our trapezoid. So 16 feet. Again, it's not square feet, it's just feet since it's a measurement here. We're not looking at area, we're just trying to find the height of our trapezoid. So finally, let's take a look at a rhombus. So we have the area is 72 square meters here. First of all, we have our formula, area equals 1/2 times diameter 1 times diameter 2. So we have 72, we'll just plug in our numbers, equals 1/2 times diameter 1, so we know that it's going to be 9, but we don't know what diameter 2 is. So we work through this problem, and we solve everything to the right side of our equation. So 1/2 times 9 is going to give me 4.5 times diameter 2. And we have our 72 equals 4.5 times diameter 2. Now our next step, so we can divide 4.5 by both sides of the equation. And what that does is that brings our diameter 2 down. And then now we have 472 divided by 4.5. And that is going to give me 16 for my diameter 2. So 16 meters. So you can see the basic idea. Whenever area is given, but a measurement is not, you work all the problem out except for the missing measurement, obviously, and then take your number and take the area and divide it by that number, and that will give you your missing measurement. So this concludes our video on how to find a measurement when area is given. If you have any questions about this concept, please come and see me.